Morning! Hey, let's boogie on down! Down! Sorry, every time I get this shirt on for my day I go, it feels like I want to dance in it. Right, hey, good day to you. Welcome from the beast. Welcome from the swoosh master. Told you guys, good hair systems look good. Grow into the look. Anyway, right. What happens at a fitting at HQ? I've done this before with another video, but I'll do it on a vlog. You come in, very nervous, but excited nervous. Normally people come back to us for the fitting and they've done their homework, which I give them. I send people homework, by the way. Homework from the hairman, and so when you come in, you're aware of what happens. There are videos that aren't on here that we just give to clients. Don't tell you everything, vloggers, especially the YouTubers that just sit there for years looking for a reason. I can see it. That's it, I'm not doing it. Anyway, right, so the people that have been brave go ahead, they come in and then nervous obviously, but they're ready to go ahead. They've done their homework, they're settled. The stylist comes in and gives them a brief overview. We do a semi-attachment with the system, so you get used to it and teach you how to do the front. We're prepared to do that several times until you get it right, because that's the most important part. I'll probably go off on one on here, but the crucial side for a hair system is I feel is in the first 4 weeks. So if you come in and you learn as much as possible, you've done your homework and so forth, then you can hold yourself when you're out there. Yeah. So the first 4 weeks are really crucial. We prepare the scalp, go through everything, get rid of all the oils, do the pre-attachment. Everybody goes and looks, friends and family, and then if need be, we take the hair down, but only after people have, the client and friends have agreed it's going to look good on the pre-cut. Yeah, so I say you don't just walk into Hair For All and for a fitting and walk in with a hair system. Hey, right, Bob? How you doing? Sit down. Shear you like a sheep, walk in, system comes out. Oh, sorry Bob, it's not right. Oh, got a bit of problems now. None of that happens, okay? We do all the checks and so forth, and then only when everyone's sure, including the stylist, it's going to look fantastic, we go ahead with it. Yeah, and then styles have been talked about. We're trying really hard now to keep people away from this quiff. It's gone ballistic. I'm redesigning. People want a Cliff Richard. We're all going on a summer holiday. Anyway, right, so yeah, if they want a quiff, then I'm basically now working very hard to get the density down there, and I tell them that in consultation. And so we're trying to shorten that style so it gives a bit of blend around here. But generally any style is welcomed, but the stylist will talk you out of it if she or he feels that you won't be able to maintain it, because hair systems are, an ongoing thing. You can go into the style. The most important thing is practical for you for the first 2 months, and that's the bottom line, So fittings are enjoyable. You'll be nervous, but it'll be nervous and positive, because you should be excited because all the pre-work that's been done, homework, coming to see me or one of the stylists or one of the affiliates, sample on your head. Everyone always goes away from the consultations with pictures on their phone so they can get used to it. So generally when people come in, they're ready. Just like the beast was many moons ago. So come and see me for consultation. Go for it. What's the worst that can happen? You can always go back to the way you are. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.